Sly and the Family Stone, a pioneering funk band, emerged from the vibrant 1960s San Francisco music scene. Led by Sly Stone, the group's unique blend of funk, soul, and psychedelic rock broke racial and musical barriers. Their struggles with racism and segregation fueled their socially conscious lyrics and activism. Songs like Everyday People and Stand became anthems for civil rights. Sly once said, "I wanted the music to be a rainbow coalition." The band's diverse lineup reflected this vision, uniting people of different races and genders on stage. They were deeply influenced by Martin Luther King Jr.'s message of equality and integration. Sly remarked, "Dr. King's dream was our dream too." If Dr. King were alive today, he'd likely applaud the progress made but recognize the ongoing struggle for true equality. As Sly's lyrics in "There's a Riot Going On" suggested, the fight for civil rights is a continuous journey, echoing Dr. King's vision of a just society.